Watch. And the world, it's not a plan. Hear me now, man? A franchise is choosing one. The 10-star general. I don't know in time I represent. You don't know what Gaza I represent for in a load effect. You don't know when time I drop necessary equipment. You don't know a load explosion. Every time on YouTube. So watch me in the Gaza nation. Watch. But hear me I say. Right about now, you know. From you see me all come all in a night, yeah, and I back up that video, yeah, you know, say, well then, some topic where I really want to forget to read about. Here I go on. I already tell you now, say me is not a blogger. You see what I deal with? I make you know, say me a revolutionist. So Gaza with my mouth on YouTube, right? Watch. Hear me I say, I don't want to sound like a YouTube bully. When every time I come on a different Gaza, some local man get shake and weak in the knees and probably feel like, so well then, me's a YouTube bully. So that's why I make sure I go as far as explain myself to you and make you know, say, let me tell you something, me's not a blogger. Me's a revolutionist Gaza with my mouth. You hear me I say Gaza nation? What? You hear me I say? Right about now, you know, I see that local video here run on the internet. And some local people, because I never go call nobody name because I not really, I try to violate nobody. I just reasoning. That's why I deal with that. I tell you something about reasoning. Reasoning is something that wise up both our knowledge as long as we not reason for win a point against one another. You hear that? Sometimes a man try to reason for win a point, it cause argument. Sometimes it cause death. You hear me I tell you? So, let me tell you something. Right now, you know, I want you to know, say, when you talk about Gaza fans ignorant, I'm not going to say people who vent for Gaza or represent Gaza are people where a Gaza them thing. You see what I deal with? I'm not going to say you not have people who are ignorant because it's impossible for you speak for somebody, you have to speak for yourself. You see what I deal with? But you know what I mean, you can't justify situation when you see it occur. But here me I say Gaza nation. Let me tell you something. You can't go around and I say Gaza fans ignorant. Like say Gaza is a little piece of island in a Jamaica we separate from Jamaicans. You see me? It's a big idiot thing you have to say. You have to say we Jamaican ignorant. You see what I deal with? And that you have to say because if nobody get up and talk no about alkaline, the vendetta fan them are go rot, which understandable. If you talk no about popcorn, unruly fans are go rot. If you talk about Sparta, the same, go along the line. That's how it is. But me get together with all of you. We Jamaicans ignorant of a whole. You see what I deal with? And we as a man will grow with that mentality there. You hear me I deal with because as I say, from your youth you grow with too much tough love. And that's why you're so ignorant. And you have some people don't know how to accept the truth. Because when you speak the truth, you know, and when somebody right, them want to be nice and them want to go to them way and jump and rave about it. You know, see nobody you know come forward when them wrong and I stand up and I shout it out like that, say them wrong. But them will kill you when time them right and them not jump up and say them wrong when them wrong. Instead them want kill you all when them wrong too. You see what I deal with? So let me show you something. I don't want you not differentiate the thing and I go like say you don't want subtract shit and say yo, Gaza fans are ignorant. No. The whole of we Jamaican fucking ignorant. You see what I deal with? And that you know all of that, that's why all of the girl them all are dead off. You see what I deal with? Because the man them a murder the girl them. Because here what go on now? One time you know, the man them used to burn up the girl them wicked, you know. And here me now man, the girl them you know used to take them thing as joy, you know. Come watch girl you know over the years, you know. A fighting and I say them a mate, you know. Them give themself all name, you know. Say them are matey and them better than wife and this, and them fight over that title, you know. And no hold no form of argument with the man, you know. The man live like a king, you know, and live like a true girl. Some people in the community and say, yo, the man that top girl is a big girl, the man that have. Alright then. Well, no, when the girl them spin it around, you know, and flip it around, you know. You see what I deal with? No man can't take that, you know. A killer man want kill a girl, you know. And kill all our youth, them, you know, and kill all himself, you know. And it's just like evil. If a man I say, well then, right now, you know, say a John Thomas slap with a girl there, and a Harry girl, I kill Harry want come kill John Tom for that, you know, my virgin. Yo, I know, the reason why I say that, you know, I just want to show you, you know, where I come from when I talk about ignorance. Because this is something where every man supposed to grow up on. You hear me? Let me tell you something. The wisest man was King Solomon. You see what I deal with? King Solomon was the wisest man in him days. You see what I deal with? Because here we go on. The Almighty asked Solomon, you know, where he want, you know, to be comfortable in a life, you know. And Solomon tell the Almighty, you know, say right now in Almighty. Right now, you know, me's a man, I just want to teach people them, you know, and teach people them some knowledge and them thing there, and you know what I mean, them respect what I bring to them, you know what I mean. The Almighty I said, that's all you want, Solomon? Solomon I make him know, say, yeah, I that him want. So the man make Solomon know, say, right now, you know, I'm going to make you be, you know, the 10 times richer than any man living on earth, you know. And that the man King Solomon, you know, just because Solomon really I say him want, you know, and I really nothing him want for himself, you know, I think him want for enlighten people and teach people, you know. And watch, you know, King Solomon was the wisest man upon the face of the earth, and him get betrayed by a woman bring him down. This is what I did first, you know, before we even go to King Solomon. In the beginning, we know about Adam and Eve. And who deceived Adam? Eve, right? As a woman, right? Now come back to King Solomon, which is the wisest man in the world. Who defeated him? A woman. The world's strongest man in the world, a Samson. See a man will bust out lion mouth with him bare hand. You see what I deal with? And who defeat him? Is a woman defeat him, Delilah. So you don't need, you know, for see as man, you know, for see a woman have a weakness, you know. And them tell you say you can't live without them now, you can't do without them. You see what I deal with? And them show you say woman. So let me ask you something as a man. Let me ask you, when you not go upgrade, you know what I mean, and understand them things the one you can differentiate, you know what I mean, the life up between ignorance and a thing when name calmness. Come and tell you something, you know. If the person, you know, is a bad person, you know, and you personally know them is a bad person, you know, go in them way for cross them for make you and them involved in a nothing, you know. So let me tell you something, you know, general. If a woman, you know, a misbehave, you know that, you know, move on, you know, my brethren. Because hundreds of them and millions of them you have out there, you know. Why you can't do that? Why you not fair take the people them life? Why it have to come down to a life situation? You see what I deal with? Yo, let me tell you something. Man never born for this, you know, my brethren. We not get up and kill one another, you know. Man must hunger rot, you know, when it's necessary, you know. Man supposed to be like an animal, you know, my brethren. Man must only get violent when him feel like him life threatened. You see what I deal with? Man just get up and get violent like that. No, man never born for that, dog. People put them things there in a man. Man hunger vile when it come down to him life. You know what I mean? That's when a man supposed to vile. You see me? Just like all a human. A human not supposed to drown no time at all in the water, you know. A fear make human drown, you know. Because you see, look a baby we just born, hard for drown, right? But fear make a human drown. Because if you're born in your mother belly for 9 months, you know, in a bare water, you know, and that you develop in her, you know. There ain't no way you're supposed to drown, but just because of fear, you see me, and sin why man drown in the water and them shit there. You see what I deal with? Because in a water man make. You see what I deal with? So that I want for sure now. Say, a woman, she born with the initiative of success. You hear that? And it always I go bring down a man because that a man weakness. I don't have to know that as man. But as me I say, if you're a true man and you're a true king, if a thing get flagged out from the other way and you know that, you move on and you go over there. So the difference between we as people, we take long for accept and we don't want to accept when we're wrong. We love shout out when we're right. Nobody shout out when them wrong. And everybody we're wrong want to be right. So the thing goes. So I don't want to hear no man come and I talk about Gaza nation ignorant. I want the man them say we Jamaican ignorant. You don't know the general the 10-star one. You don't know go can bring down ignorance upon Gaza and me about. You don't know what go. You don't know me I go sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. But as me say, me not sound like no YouTube bully. Because what me truly is, me is a revolutionist for Gaza with my mouth. Watch and the general 10-star I sound the big thing them. Watch. I'm let me tell you something, I'm not call on a name, but I hope this little video here upgrade on the knowledge to where I come from. General 10-star. Watch. Gaza for life. Watch.